Your router already connects everything in your home, which makes it the perfect place to install a VPN. But before we begin, a quick check. If your router came from your internet provider, it probably can't run a VPN. If your router doesn't have VPN options anywhere in its settings, don't worry, because you still have a few simple ways that you can make this work. The easiest option is to buy a pre-configured ExpressVPN router. These come ready to go with the VPN already installed, so you just log in and choose your server. It's plug and play with no need for flashing or file uploads. The second option is to use ExpressVPN's MediaStreamer feature. It isn't a VPN, but it changes your DNS so you can unblock services like Netflix or Hulu on devices that don't normally support VPN apps like smart TVs or gaming consoles. You'll find the setup instructions for that in your ExpressVPN account as well if you're interested in it. And finally, if you like a little DIY, you can create a virtual router using your computer. That turns your PC or Mac into a Wi-Fi hotspot and shares your VPN connection with other devices. It's definitely not as elegant as a dedicated router, but it does get the job done if you're on a budget or just testing things out. So even if your current router isn't compatible, you've still got plenty of solid backup options. If you're planning to upgrade or want to compare options, then be sure to check out our updated guide on the best VPNs for routers specifically. It covers tested models, speed results, and reliable alternatives to ExpressVPN. You can check that out using the link down below, but if you found this video to be helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to VPN Mentor, and I'll see you in the next video.